Welcome to Health Nugget Media Channel, where we provide health-related nuggets and answer critical health questions to give valuable guides. Please, subscribe to this channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects us all, our skin health. Did you know that what you eat can have a significant impact on the health and appearance of your skin? In this video, we'll be discussing the 8 worst foods for your skin, backed by scientific research and expert advice. So, let's get started. 1. Refined carbohydrates. Our first culprit on the list is refined carbohydrates. Foods like white bread, pasta, and bagels can wreak havoc on your skin. According to a study published in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology, there is a link between inflammation and refined carbs. These foods can trigger acne breakouts and other skin conditions. It's best to opt for whole grains instead. 2. Sugar. Next up, we have sugar. Excessive sugar consumption can lead to glycation, a process that damages collagen and elastin, the proteins responsible for maintaining skin elasticity. A study published in the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology found that high glycemic factors in the diet can contribute to acne vulgaris. So, it's important to limit your intake of sugary treats and opt for healthier alternatives. 3. Dairy products. Dairy products, such as milk and cheese, have long been associated with skin issues. Research suggests that the hormones present in dairy can stimulate oil production and clog pores, leading to acne breakouts. Dermatologists often recommend reducing or eliminating dairy from your diet to improve skin health. 4. Processed meats. Processed meats, like sausages and bacon, contain high amounts of saturated fats and nitrates. These ingredients can cause inflammation in the body, which can manifest as skin issues. A board-certified dermatologist, Dr. Yoram Harth, warns against consuming excessive amounts of processed meats for the sake of your skin. 5. Fried foods. Who doesn't love a plate of crispy fries or fried chicken? Unfortunately, fried foods can be detrimental to your skin. The high levels of unhealthy fats and oils in fried foods can lead to inflammation and breakouts. It's best to limit your consumption of fried foods and opt for healthier cooking methods like baking or grilling. 6. High-sodium foods. Excessive sodium intake can dehydrate your skin and leave it looking dull and puffy. Processed foods, canned soups, and salty snacks are often high in sodium. It's important to read food labels and choose low-sodium alternatives to support your skin's health. 7. Alcohol. While the occasional glass of wine or cocktail is fine, excessive alcohol consumption can take a toll on your skin. Alcohol dehydrates the body, leading to dryness and dullness. It can also dilate blood vessels, causing redness and inflammation. Remember to drink alcohol in moderation and stay hydrated. 8. Caffeine. Lastly, we have caffeine. While a cup of coffee or tea can provide a morning pick-me-up, excessive caffeine intake can dehydrate your skin. It's important to balance your caffeine consumption with plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated and healthy. And there you have it, the 8 worst foods for your skin. Remember, everyone's skin is unique, and individual sensitivities may vary. By making conscious choices and opting for a balanced diet, you can support your skin's health and radiance. Before we wrap up, we'd like to leave you with a medical recommendation from Dr. Amir Karam, a plastic surgeon. He emphasizes that while a healthy diet is important, it's equally crucial to practice sun protection, eat nutritious foods, and stay hydrated for great-looking skin. Thank you for watching this video. Try to comment below and share this video. Please, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.